You want to speak Patwa. You don't want to study. You don't want to make Jamaican friends and make them teach you how to chat Patwa. You don't want to subscribe to my channel and make me teach you how to chat Patwa. You just want to wake up one day and chat Patwa, so? Well, let me tell you how.
Come and me teach you Patwa now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. So Jamaican Patois is made up of many different languages. However, English has the most influence in the language. There are more English words than there are other words from other origins. So in this video, I will focus on the English vocabulary and how you can use English vocabulary to convert to Jamaican Patois. Now, this is a cheat sheet that works. However, this is a cheat sheet. That means it will be limited and you cannot rely on this video alone and be able to become fluent in Jamaican Patois. So that's why you need to subscribe to this channel where you'll get quality lessons on Jamaican Patois and how the language works. How do you use English vocabulary and convert it to Jamaican Patois? Let's look at some words. So first rule or first cheat step. How do I say this? Cheat step rule. I'm just gonna say rule because it sounds better and I don't know what to say. So the first rule is English words ending with ER, you will change the ER ending to A. For example, we have water, water. You're gonna take the ER, change that to an A. So you get water, water, water. Sister, sister. Writer, writer. Paper, paper. Runner, runner. Teacher, teacher. Daughter, daughter. So the first tip, change ER ending words to A. Change the ER of some of the ER ending words to A. For example, water becomes water. Sister, sister. Writer, writer. Paper, paper. Runner, runner. Teacher, teacher. Daughter, daughter. Okay, so that's the first hint. It will not happen in all cases, but it will happen in most cases. Hint number 2. The voiced TH becomes D. Now, in English, there are 2 types of TH. There is the voiced TH and there is the unvoiced TH. So these words have the voiced TH. Father, mother, brother, with, this, that, them. So these are voiced TH. Now the voiced TH becomes D. So in English we have father. In Jamaican Patois we have fa. So we change the TH to D. And the first rule was change the ER to A. So we have fada, fada. Mother, change the TH to D, ER to A, mother. Brother, same, change the TH to D, ER to A, brother or brida. But there is no rule for the EO to E, so told you it's cheating. so it doesn't really work all the time. So we have father, mother, brother. With becomes with. With. This becomes this. That, that. Them, them. Okay, so the second hint, the voiced TH becomes D. Father, father. Mother, mother. Brother, brother. With, this, this. That, that. Them, them. Hint 3. The voiceless or the unvoiced TH becomes T. The unvoiced or the voiceless TH becomes T. For example, the voiceless TH are examples we have here are toothbrush, cloth, path, wreath, thunder, thirsty, thread, thick. These are all voiceless THs. So in all of these cases, they become T. So we have toothbrush, cloth, pat, actually we add an A, pat, wreath, thunder, thirsty, tread, tick. So English, toothbrush, Jamaican Patois, toothbrush. Cloth, cloth. Path, pat. Wreath, wreath. Thunder, thunder. Thirsty, thirsty. Thread, tread. Thick, tick. So that's hint 3. Voiceless TH becomes T. Number 4. TLE. T. In English words becomes K in Jamaican Patois words. Not all the words, but some of the words. So for example, we have kettle, little, bottle, turtle. So in Jamaican Patois, kettle becomes keckle. Actually, move the T's. Little becomes lickle. Bottle becomes buckle. Turtle becomes turkle. So we have English kettle, Jamaican Patois keckle. English little, Jamaican Patois lickle. English bottle, Jamaican Patois buckle. English turtle, Jamaican Patois turkle. Number 5. ST sound st at the beginning of words become t sound. The S is dropped at the beginning of some words. For example, stop becomes top. Stand becomes tan. String becomes tring. Strong becomes trong. For example, stop, tapping eyes. Tap is the patois for stop. Stop the noise, tapping eyes. Stand, like tanayad. Stand, tan, like stand over there. Tan over deso. String, tring. Yeah, see a neck string. Strong, trong. Your body trongy. Number 6. The H is omitted from the beginning of words. The H sound. For example, we have happy, hot, hurt, help. In Jamaican Patois, happy becomes appy. Hot, hurt, hot. Made a hurt. My head hurts. Made a hot me. At. Out. At. Hurt becomes at. So this is not a good example. But the H is missing. So help, help. So the H sound is omitted from the beginning of the words. Number 7. Repetition for emphasis. Repeating a word for emphasis. For example, the boy get big, big. The boy get big, big. This means the boy has gotten big. Very big. So one word, using one word would be big. Using doubling the word, the adjective that is, would be very big. If you want to exaggerate, or if you want to be emphasized a little bit more, you can even triple the word. The boy get big, 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 big. Like that. It means he's gotten very big, or you're just exaggerating. The girl is pretty, means she's good looking, she's pretty. The girl is pretty, 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 pretty. That means she is very beautiful. So like that. So that's one way to get around it. That's one way to use adjectives in Jamaican Patois. To say something is very something, you can just repeat the adjectives. There are cases where the meanings change, but this is a cheat sheet. So another example would be the house clean, clean. The house clean, clean. That means the house is very clean, and so on. So repeating for emphasis, or repeating or tripling words for exaggeration, is also a good way to use to change English words to Jamaican Patois. Number 8, using double negatives. Now in English, we don't use double negatives. For example, if we want to say he didn't have any, didn't goes with any. He didn't have nothing would be grammatically incorrect because that's a double negatives. So double negatives are not acceptable in English. However, in Jamaican Patois, they are. So, for example, this sentence, him never have none. Never and none can go together. I know that in English you would have to say never have any. He didn't have any. He never, it's grammatically incorrect, but just to get the point across, in English it would be he never had any, but in Patois, never, none goes together. So double negatives are used. So you can use your English vocabulary, putting two double negatives together, and that's acceptable in Jamaican Patois. Okay, so there you have it. 8 ways to change English vocabulary to Jamaican Patois vocabulary. So let's recap quickly. The first way, number 1, change the ER ending words. Remove the ER, add A. For example, water, water. Number 2, the voiced TH in letters becomes D. For example, then, den. Number 3, the unvoiced TH in words becomes T. For example, toothbrush becomes toothbrush. Number 4, the TLE in like kettle or turtle becomes KLE. Keckle, turkle. Number 5, the ST at the beginning of some words becomes T. For example, stop becomes top. Number 6, the H at the beginning of words is not sound. It is removed, really. So happy becomes appy, and head becomes ed. Number 7, repetition of adjectives for emphasis. So for example, he is very big. The boy big big. I am happy. Me happy happy happy. Number 8. Double negatives are acceptable in Jamaican Patois. So for example, him never have none. Using never with none is acceptable. So there you have it. 8 ways to convert English vocabulary to Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Of course, like I've been saying, this is a cheat sheet, so it's not enough, but it's a great place to start. Do you know what them means in Jamaican Patois and the many uses that it has? Do you know how to introduce yourself in Jamaican Patois? Well, please check out those videos and so many more that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.